like to say thank you to our panelists. Can we give them all a round of applause?
Yeah, okay.
So do I look at you or do I look at Alex?
What do you see as the most exciting application of AI in your area?
And I'm looking forward not to have to write boilerplate code for error checking and things like that.
Wow, can you do that right now with GPT-4 or is it not there yet?
It's not quite there yet, but it's going to get there pretty soon.
All right, guys, I would love to hear from you what the most exciting application of AI is in your field.
Well, we were just talking about this, where before you could get lost in the field of AI, now if you are lost, you simply ask the AI to help you. So you don't know what to do, you ask the AI to show you the learning path, you ask it to show you the docs. No one is stuck anymore, no one is lost.
There are a couple of things which we have recently started using. First to have... first to have like high throughput of data analytics. We are highly using like GitHub Copilot, which has been really great. Because we work on novel devices, we have to go through tons and tons of research paper. Using large language model to synthesize that, it has been absolute, I cannot ask for better things to do right now.
Can you tell me what you see as the most exciting application of AI in your area?
I'm a composer. In music, the use of technology is nothing new, but this is different. I think this is exciting because it might enable more people to be creative musically.
The most immediately useful are the basic bureaucratic ones, like first drafts of everything. But I think the most exciting ones are the potential that AI has to help government more broadly with making really critical decisions that take in a lot of information very quickly.
Moving away from manual curation and data entry to something which is a bit more streamlined, where you can have people validate the data but not necessarily upload it and curate it and put it in. In the health space, having augmented health facilities where you've got AI helping your clinicians actually get diagnoses and work out treatment plans, and we see that already. In fact, we're working on 2 chatbots at the moment. It's super fun.
Yeah, my name's Paul Vivian and I'm currently the advisory board chairman of WADSI.
You were at work and you got an email that you know had been written by an AI and it contained tasks for you that you know had been generated for an AI and the AI was effectively telling you what to do. How would you feel?
I think I'd feel pretty open to this. I think most of my emails come from AI anyway, to be perfectly honest, so they wouldn't be all that surprised. Who will receive my responses to those actions? Another AI or...
Another AI.
Oh my God, that's going to round in circles and round in circles.
So you'll have the AI write the letter and then your AI will respond. Right.
So at what point do we get to speak to another human, do you think?
Oh, that's just completely off the table.
Oh, right. In that case, eventually I'd get bored of this circle of death and I'd have to sort of say decline, delete, go.
And if AI was effectively telling you what to do, how would you feel about that?
My question back is, how would I know that it was AI generated?
You probably wouldn't. That's the point.
So I feel like these tasks that will be directed towards me by AI are likely to become something that we need to come to grips with.
Right, you don't want to be told what to do by the robots.
I don't like being told what to do by
humans,
people, let alone robots.
How would you feel?
I would take it personally. No, it'd be fine. I mean, my boss is an AI expert, so I kind of have to do what he says anyway, whether it's him or his AI. No, I think if it increases productivity, I think it's a great thing.
Okay, fantastic. Remind me to do that in the future.
Okay.
I'd actually give my boss a pat on the back to say that was really innovative. And you know what? I'm actually quite happy with it.
Yeah?
I don't really mind it. Yeah.
Would you reply with an automated email yourself?
I think it depends on the context. So if there's something personal in that, obviously I'd like to leave my own personal touch. But if it's something that needs to be generated, like an out-of-office reply, then why not?
Orders from an AI. How would you feel about that?
If they were good orders, I'd be thrilled because that saves my partner's time.
I think the most exciting application of artificial intelligence in the law is the opportunity to improve access to justice.
Make it democratic for everyone, democratise access.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Thanks very much. Hayne, tasks in it that have been generated by an AI. How would you feel and how would you respond?
I would use AI to respond.
Okay, so you'd send the email and who would read it, do you think?
Oh, good question.
Another AI?
Possibly.
Okay. So no one's going to read email anymore. That's
Exactly, be back and forth between the AIs having a conversation. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think that's the future that we're heading towards. What to do by an AI. How would you feel about that?
I find a lot of what we do is around value creation and management. So as organisations, as structures, we want to be able to create value and we want to be able to manage value and provide ways of delivering value to others. So if it's been written by an AI and if the task's been generated by an AI, but the outcome is generating some value, so my task would then generate value, I see no problem in delivering that to the people.
So you wouldn't feel weird about taking an order from the robot?
Absolutely not, because my response would probably be automated by the robot.
Okay, that's the theme that we're picking up as well. Thanks very much, David. How would you feel?
Oh, well, I mean, I think it depends on how that's framed. I love having a human connection. I think there are great applications for AI. I certainly use it to formulate task lists for myself. So I send those kind of emails to myself all the time, and then I follow up on the tasks. So, yeah, probably be open to that.
All right. What is the coolest thing that people are doing with human.ai?
Oh, look, the things that we're super excited about are those things that have a tremendous ability to impact on industry and make it more sustainable. So we've been involved in projects that have reduced the use of water on tailings in mining, reduced the use of electricity in milling. We've been involved in some very cool projects to combine data sets across different silos and organizations to improve safety of workers. So everything that we do has a net positive impact either on the environment or on people's actual life. And so it's just so thrilling to be involved in AI in a way that has a really human positive story at the end of it.